Welcome to episode 26. When family rejects you, God steps in as your eternal family. He provides love, guidance, and protection where human support falls short. Today, we will explore how God becomes your family, heals your heart, and restores your sense of belonging.
But now hath God set the members, every one of them, in the body, as it hath pleased him. 1 Corinthians 12:18.
When earthly family fails, God never abandons you. He is constant, faithful, and loving. You are never alone, even when human relationships falter. God's presence heals what family rejection wounds. He restores confidence, peace, and identity. You are cherished and complete in Him. God's love is perfect and unconditional. Unlike human love, He does not reject, manipulate, or withhold. You learn to trust, accept, and love freely through His example. God connects you with His people to provide support, encouragement, and love. Spiritual family becomes a reflection of His care and grace. Even when biological family fails, His family remains faithful. You do not need to earn your place. God calls you His own. Trust Him to provide what human relationships cannot: love, security, and acceptance. When God becomes your family, your life radiates on stability, grace, love, and peace. Your restored heart becomes a living testimony of His faithfulness. Thank you for watching episode 26. God can be your family when human family fails. Stand in His love. Walk in His peace. Trust His perfect care. See you in episode 27.